Today, August 19, I am capturing on video the full moon, which is 99.9%, and it is called the blue moon, which occurs very rarely. So that white, bright circle that you see, I don't know what that blue one hovering around it. I don't think that's the blue moon. The blue moon is the bright one in the center. God, it's so amazing to look here on the video lens. But when you look with your naked eyes, physical, it looks just like a regular full moon. Okay, what's amazing is through this lens. Oh, maliwanag na ba? Nakikiusap ako. Sana ay malaman mo.